Tuxedo OS, Pop OS. If you're looking for a Linux distro, then you're in the right place. Today we're going to put them head to head, figure out which one is better than the other for your particular use case. So let's dive in. Ladies and gentlemen, Tuxedo OS. So first of all, it's built on Ubuntu's long-term support for maximum stability with custom optimizations, which are tailored for superior performance as well as reliability. It's got pre-installed hardware management suites, which provide granular control over system settings, fan curves, and even power profiles. It also has a privacy-first configuration with minimal telemetry collection and robust security settings, which are enabled by default. The next thing over here, you can see the benefits of Tuxedo OS is that it's specifically engineered for Tuxedo computers' hardware architecture, delivering peak performance as well as efficiency. It has a beautiful and intuitive KDE Plasma desktop environment with more customizable workflows and modern aesthetics. And it has enterprise-grade security and privacy protection, which is built into every aspect of the operating system. Some of their advantages include their hardware-software integration. So this eliminates compatibility issues through seamless integration between Tuxedo's hardware and optimized software stack. They also give you long-term support, so you get regular updates that are perfectly aligned with Ubuntu's LTS support cycles, ensuring stability and security for many years to come. It's the ideal solution for professionals requiring a secure, high-performance Linux desktop for very demanding workloads. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're having a look at Pop OS. Let's see if I can do that. Pop OS, alright. So first of all, it's developed by System76 hardware experts. It's built on Ubuntu's foundation with carefully curated GNOME desktop experience. It has advanced integrated support for NVIDIA and AMD GPU switching. It's optimized for gaming and professional graphics work. It has a very sophisticated window tiling system and workspace management tool that's designed for productivity as well as multitasking efficiency. Some of their benefits include their creative workflow optimization. So it's specifically tuned for creative professionals, gamers, and engineers with optimized performance profiles. It also has effortless graphics switching on hybrid systems, which maximize your battery life as well as performance when you're in need. It has a very clean interface with powerful keyboard-driven navigation, and this keeps you focused on creative work and your productivity tasks. The last thing over here is some of their advantages, and this is really something to look over. So it is a developer-ready platform. It comes with pre-installed comprehensive developer tools and CUDA support for machine learning and scientific computing applications. It emphasizes workflow optimization and system customization to enhance user productivity as well as creative output. And it has cutting-edge technology. Of course, it has regular updates which deliver the latest Linux kernel and driver improvements for optimal hardware performance as well as compatibility. Ladies and gentlemen, what a head-to-head comparison. The real takeaway here is to go and deep dive on your own, try the software and see what actually works for you, because we are all individuals. If this guidance video was helpful, drop us a like to show your support. We'll see you next time.